Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best of workout is probably one of the most sought-after fitness goals. Achieving a strong core isn't just about aesthetics, it's fundamental for overall health and stability. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of workouts, exploring the best exercises, and providing you with a roadmap to sculpt those coveted six-pack abs. Get ready to discover the secrets to a stronger core and a healthier you. Number 5. Sports Research Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer. This waist trimmer is designed to help you sweat and tone. It can help you achieve your fitness goals during your next cardio or HIIT session. The waist trimmer uses NeoSweat technology. It has an anti-slip, moisture-repelling interior that provides heat insulation to increase core temperature for a harder, faster sweat. It is designed to accommodate all shapes and sizes. The durable, machine-washable waist trainer has a Velcro closure and adjusts to your body's unique figure. For the best results, add the Sweet Sweat Gel to your routine. Apply the gel to your core area, put on the sweat belt, and get ready to drip. Sweet Sweat is fighter-approved and the choice of athletes. They use it to maximize their workouts. What we like. This waist trimmer enhances your sweat during workouts. It contours to your body shape for a comfortable fit. If you're looking to maximize your sweat and achieve your fitness goals, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It fits so well because it's adjustable and it allows for compression while working out. The belt allows you to sweat while working out, and I'm already starting to notice some results. It makes you sweat a lot during workouts and helps shape your waist nicely. The material feels strong and comfortable, and it stays in place even during high-intensity exercises. Number 4. Sports Research Sweet Sweat Workout Enhancer Gel. This workout enhancer is activated by your elevated heart rate. It helps to increase sweat and warm up muscles faster, making workouts feel better. When you push, it moves with you, a visual marker of effort. Applying this gel sets the tone for every rep. As your body warms up, the gel activates, helping you feel your effort and see your progress. It brings your workout to life. Pair this gel with the signature waist trimmer to enhance your warm-up. Together, they elevate every rep and every round. It's a legacy-tested combo, now powered by every result. Before your workout, apply a thin layer to target zones. Let your movement do the rest. As your body heats, your story unfolds with visible effort and measurable intensity. This product fits every training style. Wherever you move, it moves with you. Track it, feel it, and prove it. It's designed to enhance your workout experience. What we like. This workout enhancer gel increases sweat and helps you feel your effort. It provides visible progress during your workout. If you want to see your progress and feel the burn, you should definitely consider this. What people say. Been using this product for years in combination with my waist belt. Feel the difference in the amount of sweat in the area when I apply the gel. Bought with the waist trimmer, and it makes the workout much better. Enhances the ability to sweat out your water weight. The scent is great and leaves the skin soft. Very effectively when used consistently. I really notice the difference. Sweet Sweat works. It's part of my lifestyle now, and I recommend it to anyone serious about seeing their body change. Number 3. VINSGUIR Ab Roller Wheel for Home Gym. This ab roller features a dual wheel design for extra support and stability, making it easier to use than single wheel models. It also comes with a knee pad for a comfortable and protected workout. You can enjoy more challenging routines without the need for resistance bands. The VINSGUIR abs will target your abs, hip flexors, and back muscles. Regular use of this exercise can help you strengthen your core and lower back while reducing the risk of muscle injury. It's a great way to achieve your fitness goals safely and effectively. Unlike bulky gym machines, this ab wheel is compact and portable. You can easily take it with you to exercise at home, in the office, at the gym, or even outdoors. It's a convenient way to stay fit wherever you are. The high-strength stainless steel shaft can support up to 440 pounds, ensuring your safety during workouts. The ultra-wide design provides balance and stability, preventing sideways deviation. The EVA rubber cotton handles offer a non-slip and comfortable grip. This workout roller is more than just an ab exerciser, it helps burn fat and build strength. It's an ideal gift for family and friends who are into fitness. Plus, it comes with after-sales service to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This ab roller features a dual-wheel design for extra stability. It offers a full-body workout and is portable for on-the-go exercise. If you are looking for a compact and effective way to strengthen your core and take your workout anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. The wheel rolls without wobbling, giving you great control during the movement. It really hits the core hard, in a good way, and you can feel the burn right away. The dual-wheel design gives it great stability, which is clutch whether you're a beginner or pushing your limits. Number 2. Entersports ab roller wheel kit. This ab roller is built to last, with a strong stainless steel shaft that can handle up to 600 pounds. The wide, non-slip wheel ensures a smooth and stable roll on any surface. The handles are padded to prevent slipping during your workout. It takes just a minute to put this exercise wheel together. It's also easy to pack, making it perfect for workouts at home or on the go. Take it with you to the gym, or even on vacation. This roller is like having a personal trainer. It works multiple muscle groups, targeting your abs, shoulders, and back. Use it to burn calories and sculpt a better physique. The Entersports ab wheel comes with everything you need. Included are resistance bands, knee pads, and push-up bars. The resistance bands can increase the challenge, making it suitable for all fitness levels. This is a risk-free purchase that many people are already enjoying. It makes a great gift for friends and family. Get yours today and start working towards your fitness goals. What we like. This ab roller kit provides a whole-body workout experience. It is easy to assemble and is durable and stable for intense workouts. If you want a complete set with all the accessories to enhance your workout, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The ab roller rolls smooth and is easy to use. It is sturdy as well. The wheel, 4-piece nice sturdy wheel. The crossbar is metal, which is a nice bonus. The handles provide a tough, ergonomic grip, and the wheel itself is wide and stable yet still able to roll out at angles to attack those other abdominal areas. It rolls smoothly and was easy to assemble. The build is sturdy and held up perfectly for my 140 pounds. It really challenges your core in the best way possible, providing a great workout. Number 1. Trideer 9-inch Pilates ball. This 9-inch exercise ball is a must-have for any workout routine. It strengthens key muscles and enhances core health. It also improves flexibility and is great for rehabilitation. Made from soft, low-odor PVC, this ball is designed to remain elastic and non-slip. The slightly textured surface helps it stay in place during exercises. It's perfect for various workouts and physical therapy. Inflating this ball is simple with the included tube. Its mini diameter makes it easy to carry and store. It's perfect for home or gym use, and even for travel. Physical therapists and trainers recommend this ball for improving stability and coordination. It strengthens core muscles and promotes blood circulation. It is a great tool for physical therapy plans. Enjoy a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty. Avoid placing it on wooden furniture for extended periods. Customer service is available for any questions. What we like. This Pilates ball strengthens your core and improves your stability. It is easy to inflate and store. If you are looking to enhance your yoga, core training, or physical therapy, you should consider this. What people say. The ball is made of high-quality, anti-burst material that feels both sturdy and comfortable during exercises. Its compact size makes it easy to store and perfect for small spaces. The non-slip surface provides excellent grip, ensuring safety during workouts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.